Hi everyone, I'm Bot. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a text-to-speech video using Flexclip. Let's get started. To begin, open the Flexclip video editor and go to the Media tab in the left menu. Go to Text-to-Speech option and pick the language based on your needs. Over 140 languages are supported. Afterward, select an appropriate voice and speech style and tailor the speed and pitch to your preference. Now enter or paste your desired text into the text field. Once you're ready, click the preview button and let the voice generator do the rest. If you're satisfied with the result, save the audio by clicking Save to Media for further use. Now, you can add the generated audio to your timeline by clicking the plus button. To further customize your audio, consider additional actions such as fading in or out to gradually adjust the volume, linking or unlinking the audio, and aligning it with other elements to achieve the best possible result. In addition to text-to-speech, Flexclip is also a powerful video editor that allows you to edit text, adjust motion, and apply transitions. Plus, you can easily generate subtitles by transcribing any video or audio file automatically. When you're done, export the video as an MP4 and apply it to different scenarios. Or share your video on popular social media platforms like YouTube with just one click. Creating a text-to-speech video in Flexclip is quick and easy. Give it a try and make your own text-to-speech video for free today.